Cut. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, there's a snowstorm outside, so should we bake some lemon crinkle cookies? What do you think about lemon crinkle cookies? For lemon crinkle cookies, you add one fourth cup of sugar. Now you add zest of 1 lemon or 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. What's a zest of a lemon? So it's the outside. It's the yellow part outside. And then you shred it up in the sugar. Mama's going to add the lemon zest and I'm not going to do it because it will hurt me. Now come and shred it up. Now we squish the lemon zest and sugar together until it's all combined. To that, you add half cup of butter. Bye-bye. Now you whisk it up until it's all light and fluffy. Guys, we're using the stand mixer so it can make my job easy. It should look from this to this. Now you add 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk.
Do you want to crack it?
Yeah, and then you open. Mix it all up. Now you add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now you add a drizzle of vanilla extract.
1 more drizzle.
Now let's combine everything. Yeah. In a separate bowl, we're gonna add dry ingredients. Boom, magic. In the separate bowl, we're gonna add all-purpose flour.
2 cups.
2 cups. You add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You add a pinch of salt and then stir it up. Look at that. Now you add your white ingredients into your yellow ingredients. How do you do it? Okay. Gently mix it and do not over mix it. Only mix it until it's all well combined. In the recipe, it said we add their dough was yellow, so and because they added yellow color to it, and we did not add it, so ours looks a little white. Now we put it in the fridge and let it chill to 2 to 4 hours. The dough has been sitting in the fridge for 2 hours. So now we're gonna roll them into balls. Let me show you how to do it. When you make a ball, you're gonna add in normal sugar and then powdered sugar. Like everywhere. I just drop it in. Drop it in. Bake them.
What?
The lemon crinkle cookies do not taste good. I don't like very sweet, and this is very sweet.